The next task is going to be get these triple trees off of here, get them cleaned up and powder coated, and while they're off of here, I'm going to do a mod to this thing that I did on my bike, which is limiting the turning radius. The limiting the turning radius is all about keeping the bars from accidentally running into the tank, because the cafe bars come down and back, and these are up and clear, so you gotta fix that. Modification number 1, getting these little nubbins off of here. This was part of the system that held the weight on the front, and the weight was to keep the fairing down so that you didn't get a little bit of lift. And don't have the weight, don't need the nubbins, so we'll trim these off and buff them in. You'll never even know it was there. This is working, just not very quickly. I get a little bit of, that's loose now. So now the task of getting the new bearing on the shaft. I stuck it in the freezer. It's been there for a couple days now. I'm gonna stick this in the oven, get it up to a couple hundred degrees. And between the two temperature differences, should drop right on there. If it doesn't, we can motivate it a little bit. So the next mod is actually to restrict this turn radius. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill and tap a hole here and here. And then I'll have some adjustment screws sticking out on both sides. And then I'll also have to modify this cover so that this isn't in the way. So if we set this bad boy on there, there'll be a screw sticking out, and this will be cut up and removed and cleared for the screw. Alright, triple trees are done. The mods are in. I'm really happy with it. We'll get some screws in here that are a little bit longer so I can have some lock nuts in there for more adjustability, as well as keeping it from backing out. So the triple trees themselves are all set. There's plenty of other things that need to be done here, but for now I'm going to call it on this video, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and as always, you guys be careful out there.